Rapping out the bando. Gotta go to work, gotta get this money. Gotta go to work, gotta feed myself, I'm hungry. Even when it hurts, gotta go and get this money. Even when it hurts, gotta feed myself, I'm hungry.
Like a homie in debt, going back to work. I'm living life free, fuck it, I'm trying to smirk. But they lurk and try to ruin what they can. I hit rock bottom, but I'm still the fucking man. I do what I can to make it to the fucking top. Representing Moco, and I'm not gonna stop till I drop. I'm coming up, fuck the haters. They don't stop my hustle, I'm still getting paper. See ya later. I'ma work on my hustle. I'm standing strong, man. Knees never fucking buckle or fumble. I'ma keep going the right direction. Death show is a hard way to learn your fucking lesson. Need a blessing, but fuck it, I'ma make it out alive. My younger days were hard, but that only made me strive. But homicides, I just lost my homie. Life's hard, man, it'll only make you stony.
Rapping out the bando. Gotta go to work, gotta get this money. Gotta go to work, gotta feed myself, I'm hungry. Even when it hurts, gotta go and get this money. Even when it hurts, gotta feed myself, I'm hungry.
Now I hustled hard and I'm starting to get it. I don't just talk shit, man, I just fucking live it and spend it. I work hard for this money, I'm starting to settle into the game and get comfy, but bluntly put, I work hard, this ain't fucking luck. I had long nights up late, feeling fucking stuck, but I had enough and I kicked that shit in the gear. DS folding hands, really getting it, didn't you hear? All year I'ma keep going till I finish. Man, I'm really running shit like I'm fucking fitness. See the image in your head, take a picture. Listen to that dope shit, DS40 coming out your kicker, never sicker. You know I'm always fucking ill, and I'm always true, and I stay fucking real. You know I stay trill, gotta go and get it. I hit the studio, grab the mic, and I spit it. Never quit it, I'ma still fucking shine. I got a bunch of haters, fool, get in fucking line. Rewind, let me take you fucking back when I had nothing to look forward to but a fat weed sack.
Gotta go to work, gotta get this money. Gotta go to work, gotta feed myself, I'm hungry. Even when it hurts, gotta go and get this money. Even when it hurts, gotta feed myself, I'm hungry.
We jack everything that's worth a fucking cent. I was stressing hard, fool, I couldn't pay the rent. I sit long nights up awake, plotting how I'ma take money out the safe, but we straight.